What's going on, guys? Today, you can see it's a box. So you know what this means. It means unboxing time. We just got this delivered, so got some weird tape on it. Sorry if you can hear the background noises, it's the animals going off. Ricky, come over here, bro. You want to be on camera? Here he is. He said he heard me say you want to be on camera. So, okay. And with this box, you're gonna think I'm a hype beast, and yes, I'm a hype beast, but I've always wanted these shoes. As soon as I saw them, I've always wanted them. So, yeah, some of you are gonna definitely call me a hype beast, but that's fine. As you can see, it's the 350. You already know it's Adidas or Adidas. And yes, so they're Yeezys. So I know what I'm going to be called, a hype beast and everything. But as I said, I've always wanted a pair of these. And I saw these, and these were probably the cheapest pair out there. So yeah, what's up, Ricky? I'm recording a video. We got them from our favourite place, Goat, and yeah, we've got the normal thing. So thanks, Goat, as normally. These are pretty new, so I'm a hype beast. Yes, I'm a hype beast. We got some Yeezys. Yes, I've always wanted a pair of Yeezys though. Always wanted a pair of Yeezys because I just love Yeezys. They just look so good. I know a lot of people don't like them, and a lot of people... That was a fart. And a lot of people call them the hype beast shoe. But I like Yeezys. They look comfortable and everything. But man, oh man, look at the texture. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeezys. These are new, apparently. I saw them on Goat. They were new. They came out not too long ago. They're like the Sions or Scions or whatever they're called. I've always wanted a pair, as I keep saying. So this is a great gift. I was expecting these to come tomorrow, but the delivery man came today and dropped them off. So yeah, that was pretty good. Didn't have to walk down to the post office to get them this time, but that's fine. I'm glad. We're gonna test these and put these on for y'all. So let's get these bad boys on. You want to wear them? They're too small for it. They're too big. What am I mean? They're too small. But yeah, let's put these bad boys on for y'all. So we got them on right now, and oh my god, they feel comfortable and squishy, you know. They feel so weird. But look at the Yeezys, bro. I know this is a hype beast shoe. I know, but as I keep saying, I've always wanted a pair of Yeezys. We still got Ricky on us. He isn't coming off anytime soon. But yeah, these... Oh, see, I've got the Adidas or Adidas freaking hoodie on. So this is perfectly timed to be wearing some Yeezys. Man, I'm just looking fresh as. They fit perfectly. They feel squishy though, that's the thing. Feels like I could jump high as, or I'm just like walking like Zyon Williamson or something. Yeah, I don't get why these shoes are so expensive though. Like, why do they have to be like 500? These were like 200 or something. Like 360 all up because of shipping and stuff. Shipping expensive from America. They feel so comfortable and good, bro. I love these. I love them. Jeez. They feel so good. Man, they feel so good. Pick up the camera. We got Ricky on us. Ricky got Yeezys. I like the bottom. Only thing I do not like about these shoes, I could say, is the bottom off these. I'll freaking fix this all up. So the only thing I do not like about, I could say, about these shoes is the bottom. I don't like white, really, with shoes. White, I've realised with shoes, if you wear white, everyone knows this, of course, they're going to get dirty. And that's a pain, and no one likes when your shoes get dirty, because that sucks. You don't like cleaning your shoes, you don't want to clean your shoes. So it's a shame that these have to be white on the bottom, slash yellowish thing. But it's fine. My first pair of Yeezys, and I just love them. They feel so good. I know it's a hype beast shoe, and probably people be like, oh, it's a Yeezy, oh, it's all this. But I don't care. I've always wanted a pair of them. And I finally got a pair. So I'm happy with them. They feel comfy and everything. So yeah, I'm happy with them. I'm happy. But yeah, I love the box that comes with. Made by Adidas. And all that. Yeezy Boost 350. Yeah. The box is the best part. Is one of the best part. The best part is the shoes, of course. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video off here. I know this ain't too much of a review. I'm not a review guy. I just like to unbox stuff and upload it and record it for you guys. And I'm not too much of a review guy, as I just said. So if you want to look at reviews, go ahead, and there's probably plenty of videos out there that people review shoes. I'm not a review person shoe. I just like to unbox stuff, as I keep saying, and recording it and then uploading it. But these have to be in my top 3 shoes. Just the way they feel. I feel like you could jump higher if you wore these. Like you could just jump way higher. But who knows? I'm not going to attempt to jump with them or wear them. I'm just going to wear them in style. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new around here, always hit that subscribe button because it's free. And I'm entertaining as hell. If you like basketball, make sure you subscribe because I do a lot of basketball videos on here. And other type of videos. Whatever videos I decide to come up with. But yeah, guys, it's been your boy, you know who. I'll catch ya in the next one. Peace.